Ever pondered on the ability of artificial intelligence to craft art, compose music, and weave stories? Welcome to the fascinating realm of generative AI. First on our list, generative AI is the creative side of artificial intelligence. It's like an artist with a digital palette, capable of creating new original content from scratch. Secondly, generative AI doesn't just pop ideas out of thin air. It's powered by neural networks that learn the patterns and structures inherent in the type of content it's creating, whether that's a symphony, a novel, or a portrait. Thirdly, ever heard of deep fakes? Those eerily realistic videos where someone's face is swapped onto another person's body? That's generative AI at work too. Fourthly, the applications of generative AI are broad and varied. It's used in art, music, writing, and even game design, making it an exciting tool for creative industries. Fifthly, ever chatted with a chatbot? Those helpful digital assistants are driven by generative AI. They learn from millions of text-based conversations to generate their responses. Sixth on our list, generative AI is not just about text. It can turn text into images and vice versa, creating a visual representation of a written description or generating a description from an image. Seventh, like any technology, generative AI needs to be used ethically and responsibly to avoid misuse and biases. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI is a hot topic in the field today. And finally, number 8, the future of generative AI holds even more creative possibilities. As the technology evolves, we can expect to see AI-generated content becoming even more sophisticated and indistinguishable from human-created content. Intrigued about the future of AI? Ensure you don't miss out on more insights like these by subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on the wonders of artificial intelligence.